Hello friends, welcome back to our channel again. So we are connecting after a very long time now. Okay, since I was a little bit busy with my personal stuff, so I was not able to post any new videos continuously. But still, anyhow, I managed to write the blogs on the daily basis. So we have started posting two option trading series in our blogs. Okay, so the respective links for that blogs will be posted in the descriptions as well, so you guys can go through that. Okay, so in the minting and ebb and flow series, so which we have traded for the stocks. So in this, for the month of November, we have traded totally in 4 stocks. Okay, so in that we have traded for the Kotak Bank 2 times. Okay, and HDFC Bank, and then we have traded in Asian Paint. Okay, so overall the return from these stock is 20,415. Okay, so if you guys want to know, you guys can watch my blog on the daily basis. So I'll be posting the trades, and also will be tracking that on the daily basis, and also will be posting the adjustments as well whenever we needed in the same blocks. Okay, and also we have posted new series about a Nifty option trading series. So in this, so we have entered with the 12,000 call and 11,300 put, and after that the Nifty started moving on the upside direction. So we have done the multiple adjustments, and we have somehow managed to close the trade with a profit of 10,620. Okay, so this is the summary for the November month's trade. Okay, so now today we are going to post an new trades in the Nifty options series for the December months. Okay, so if you guys are watching our video for the first time, then I would request you guys to subscribe to our channel, and those who subscribe, means like I would say thanks for them, and the people who keep on watching and who are there in the Telegram channels or Twitter followers, all those people, I would thank for you guys. And we'll be posting our Telegram channel links, Twitter IDs, and also we have on WhatsApp. So if, also we provide an online webinars as well. Okay, so if you guys want to, you guys can just go to www.letslearntrading.com, so where you can look at our option trading strategies, which is on very affordable prices. Okay, so you guys can just go through that as well. Okay, so this is our blog, friends. Okay, so let's learn trading, so you guys can go through that as well, so where we'll be posting our videos. Okay, so this is our websites, so where you guys can go through that. So this will be I'll be planning for an webinars on the every weekends, and the sessions will be for the 4 hours. Okay, so it will be at a very affordable price, so you guys can go through these websites, and if you're okay to join, you guys can go you guys can ping me through an WhatsApp for the other services which we provide. Okay, so now let's enter into a Nifty. Okay, so if you look at the Nifty, so you guys can see that this is a weekly chart of a Nifty. So you guys can see Nifty have started moving up. And if you look for the past 1 month, so from the level of 11,550, it have been reached to an 13,100 plus. Okay, so if you can see, so Nifty had made an all-time high in November month series, and right now we can see that there is a doji formed, so which might in a weekly candles. Okay, so if you look for an trend, so we can just draw a trend line to look for the trend of the Nifty in the weekly trends. Okay, so here we can see that right now in this trend line, Nifty had been moved above this trend lines level, and right now it is trading on top of that. Okay, so if you look at, we can think that Nifty might take in support at this level, and Nifty might trade between above this trend line for this December month. I was expecting that. Okay, so we'll be taking an option strategy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to sell with sell one call option and the put options, so which is in short triangle. Okay, so I'll be initiating the December month series with 13,300 CE one lot. Okay, so 13,300 CE is trading at the level of 134. Okay, and also I'll be selling 12,700 put one lot. Okay, so which is trading at the price of 145. Okay, so this is the strike price which I have chosen for this December month trade. Okay, so you can see that the maximum credit right now is at the price of 20,962, and the estimated margin is almost around 1.5 lakh. Okay, so this strike price might get changed based on the tomorrow's market opening time. Okay, so since it's a market closing hours while we making this video, so the strike price might slightly gets changed. Okay, so that price we will be posting in our Twitter as well as in the Telegram channel as well. Okay, so you guys can follow that. Okay, so if something bad happens, or if the market is keep on moving upside or the downside, then based on the market movements, same whatever we have done in the previous months, so we'll be following that, and we'll be making an adjustment as per the market's movement. Okay, so I'll be posting that adjustments in my blog as well. Okay, so you guys can follow that on the daily basis. Okay, and if you guys have any queries, you can WhatsApp me, and the respective WhatsApp number is there in my in the video descriptions as well. Okay, so you guys can ping me at any time, so I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, so we'll be posting the adjustment videos, and I'll make a video for this series weekly once, and on the daily basis I'll be making that in my blog post. Okay, so other than that, we have a minting in event series. So if you look at right now, we are in the two trades. Okay, so one trade we entered in Nifty, and the other one we entered is 1 second. So yeah, so other one we entered is an HDFC Bank. Okay, so these are all the two trades we are right now holding. So Nifty and HDFC Bank. So these are all the two trades right now we have, and we'll be planning to take any other new stock options as well in the futures. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So I would request you guys to like and subscribe, like and share the videos with your friends, and also please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon, so that whenever we upload any new videos, you will be getting an notifications. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So if you guys are okay to learn about multiple adjustments and how to do one trade selection, all those things, you guys can ping me at the WhatsApp to join our programs which we conduct on the weekend basis. Okay, the prices will be very affordable price, so which will be not even more than which will be lesser than the 1% of your capital, which will be not even more than 1%. Okay, so you guys can just ping me for the prices, and thanks for watching, friends.